Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel flavorsalt.com. Today, we're diving into a deliciously luxurious world that I never knew I needed until now. Have you ever found yourself daydreaming about gourmet spreads while you're noshing on your regular butter? Well, today, we're unveiling the magical combo of olive oil and butter. Yes, you heard that right. Olive oil butter. Stick around. This is gonna get delicious. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Olive oil? Butter? What's the big deal? But trust me, once you get a taste of this heavenly blend, you'll be spreading it on everything. So, what exactly is olive oil butter? It's the luxurious love child of creamy, rich butter and the vibrant, healthful zing of olive oil. Imagine slathering this dream duo on warm, crusty bread or drizzling it over roasted veggies. I mean, yes please. The flavor? Smoother than your favorite playlist. And the benefits? Oh, honey, we're talking a higher smoke point and way more heart-healthy goodness. I mean, look at that. A golden spread that tastes as good as it looks. Alright, let's talk about how to make this incredible olive oil butter. You only need two main ingredients: extra virgin olive oil and high-quality butter. Now, don't skimp on this. Trust me, a rich, flavorful olive oil will elevate this recipe straight to foodie heaven. Here's what you'll do. Grab 1 cup of unsalted butter. Let it soften to room temperature, and then, for every cup of butter, mix in about a quarter cup of olive oil. Now, for the fun part: seasoning. I'm adding fresh herbs like thyme and rosemary, a pinch of sea salt, and a squeeze of lemon juice for that zesty kick. Just look at that blend. It's silky, it's smooth, and oh my goodness, your kitchen is about to smell amazing. Once it's all mixed up, I'm gonna pop it in the fridge to set. But here's the thing: you can store it in an airtight container. Genius, right? Put in the fridge or freeze it in ice cube trays for the perfect single servings. Now, you might be wondering how to use this gorgeous spread. The options are endless. Slather it on warm bread, mix it into pasta, or even whisk it into your salad dressing. Seriously, once you start, you won't be able to stop. Oh wow, that's a flavor explosion in my mouth. You really gotta try this. So, there you have it, olive oil butter, your new best friend in the kitchen. It's not just a meal upgrade, it's a culinary experience. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more foodie adventures, and comment below your favorite way to use olive oil butter. Until next time, happy cooking!